Dear Professor Chairman and Professors of the Council, today I have the honor to present my academic teaching and scientific research. To start with, I would like to say something about myself. My full name is Tuyen. I was born in 1967 in Guangxi Province. At present, I am working at Department of Chemistry, College of Sciences, Tuyen University. I finished my graduate study at the university in 1998 and I got a Master of Science in 1997. Then I received the Doctor of Philosophy in Chemistry from Hanoi National University in 2007. In 1990, I became a lecturer at Department of Chemistry and I have been a senior lecturer since 2009. Now I am in charge of Inorganic Chemistry section and Inorganic Materials Laboratory. My major is inorganic materials such as cement, ceramic, refractory, pigments, and so on. Next, I am going to talk about my academic teaching. From 1990 until now, I have been teaching 8 subjects to undergraduate students with an average of 250 credit hours a year. I also teach 4 subjects to master students with an average of 120 credit hours a year after I became a Doctor of Philosophy. Up to now, I have already supervised 8 master students and more than 20 undergraduate students. I published one course book called Exercise in Primary Chemistry. Now, I will give you some details about my research activities. I was a leader of 4 projects, in which one funded by Vietnam Ministry of Education and Training, another by Tuyen Province, and the last 2 were at the basic level. Besides, I was a member of other projects at different levels. Concerning my research, I focused on 2 main fields. The first one is synthesis of inorganic materials for domestic needs. Let me give you the details of what I do. First, I studied the synthesis of malite chloride composites as a heat-resistant refractory from kaolin. In this project, I found a suitable condition to synthesize malite chloride composite at low sintering temperature from alloy kaolin. The result showed that the obtained composite met the requirements of advanced refractory. Second, I have developed a process to synthesize zeolite 4A from rice husk ash and use it for mitigation of environmental pollution. The suitable conditions were to prepare zeolite 4A from rice husk ash collecting in central Vietnam were found in the study, and a pilot-scale manufacturing process of zeolite 4A was also developed. The characteristics and properties of the obtained zeolite 4A met the requirements of a commercial product. Moreover, this zeolite was applied to remove ammonia and heavy metals from polluted aquaculture water. Next, with regard to practical application of inorganic materials, I would like to mention about 3 of my studies. First, using pozzolan as an active additive in cement production. The results showed that pozzolan taken in Quang Binh, Guangxi, and Tuyen can be used as an active additive in the cement manufacturing. I collaborated with Long Tho, Lục Và Sĩ, and Bim Sơn cement companies to put the pozzolan into practical production. Second, I have carried a study on the synthesis of thermostable ceramic pigments. The blue, green, brown, and black pigments based on spinel by the precipitation and Pagini methods have been synthesized. The pigments are used for ceramic production in the Tuyen Ceramic Tile Company. Lastly, it is refining ilmenite and monazite ores. The purpose of this study is to find the suitable conditions for decomposing ilmenite and monazite ores using acid and base methods to produce titanium dioxide and rare earth oxides. I cooperated with the Tuyen Mineral Company to separate these oxides in practice. Here are my 5 best publications and research projects. Thank you very much for your attention.